Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we're gonna fix an LG G7 ThinQ. The LG G7 is a flagship device from LG last year with a wide-angle camera that has been the main defining feature of the smartphone, and of course the good performance that you expect from a flagship device. So as you can see here, the customer sent this to us with a broken display, and you can see the backplate, an even worse picture and the extent of the damage that has been applied to the device. So it has been dropped and tumbled down on a hard surface. So he asked us if we can replace the screen for him and just reuse the back glass. So that's what we're gonna do today. So it is okay if you want to reuse the back glass as long as you use a phone case next time, since the cracks on the back glass can cut your fingers or your palms, or even put some damage to your smartphone by water ingress. So we're gonna remove the shrouds and remove the SIM card tray and all the connectors that are obviously connected to the board. And we can see the big battery that has been here. So the LG G7 has two boards. This one is the board for the charging and the USB and the main motherboard. So we're going to remove the battery here. We're gonna take our time, knowing that batteries can be very dangerous if you puncture them or you bend them. So if you want to DIY this, we always discourage it, not because we're just a repair shop and want to earn money just by fixing other people's stuff, but it is very important that you have the tools and the knowledge to avoid fire hazards or even injuring yourself while fixing the smartphones. So as you can see, if you want to replace the display, you basically have to disassemble the whole thing, and you can see that there are a lot of screws that has to be tracked and monitored, so when you reassemble the device you don't miss anything or you put the wrong screw on the wrong hole. So the design of the ThinQ is not really that hard. The design of it is very easy to repair, but to save you the time and hassle if something goes wrong, because in this repair we have tested the display and the performance of the smartphone before we send it out to the customer, and we have found that it will take a lot of restarts to get the phone recognized display. Although this one is a good replacement display, it's still important that you have to test it and have the experience, like what I said before, to troubleshoot what happens, if something happens wrong, basically. So this one is partially done. Right here we're testing because it seems that the buttons were also damaged on the drops, and we're gonna test the daughter board at the bottom, and we're gonna reinstall it again, and we managed to make it work. So we're gonna put back the old shattered backplate, because really you don't really need a pristine backplate to have a working smartphone as long as you have a good display. So this one is good. It just needs a restart and a charging test, and it's good to go. So if you have your LG G7 ThinQ that's been damaged, just send it to us guys and we're gonna fix it for you. We also do iPads, iPhones, smartwatches, and other brands and models that you have in your house. If you want to have them fixed and save some money by not buying new, that will be better. So this is all good. Till next time guys, cheers.